Prep yourself one today. That's lemony garlic tilapia. Drizzle olive oil on the asparagus. Season with salt and pepper and garlic powder. Bake in the oven at 425 degrees. After 15 minutes of baking, cut the ends off the roasted asparagus. Get out a bowl and place in classic coleslaw. To a separate container, add 3/4 cup of mayo, 1/3 cup of sour cream, 4 tablespoons of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of ground mustard, 1/4 teaspoon of celery seed, 3/4 teaspoon of garlic salt. Stir it to combine. Add into coleslaw mixture. Refrigerate for 10 to 15 minutes. Dry tilapia fillets. Season with salt, pepper, garlic powder. Flip over and season the other side. We're going to cook these 2 at a time on medium heat. Add olive oil and butter to the pan. After 2 minutes on one side, flip. After flipping, steam by putting a lid on the pan. Once fully cooked, add on top of prepared coleslaw and asparagus. To the cooked fish, add a squeeze of lemon juice and top of dried thyme. If you want to see more meal preps like this, follow, like, and comment.